A server is just a computer that is connected to the internet, and we can have our website there. So when other users on the internet want to see it, they will send a message to our server, which will respond by sending the website files. This server could be a desktop computer or a laptop, and it will work fine. But these computers are not designed to be used as servers, because many people might want to see the website, and the server could receive hundreds or even thousands of requests per minute, and the computer could get saturated. And also, it should be working 24 hours a day, so that the website can be visited at any time, and this could break it. This is why there are computers that are specifically designed to work as servers, and that will have different components. A different processor, more RAM, more hard drives, etc. And many will have a flat shape, which we will discuss later. These computers will be prepared to receive many requests per minute and work for long periods of time. They won't have a screen, keyboard or mouse, because they don't need that to serve a web. The only thing they need to do their job is to be plugged in and be connected to the internet. So how are we going to use them if they don't have a screen, keyboard or mouse? What we are going to do is that we are going to control them from another computer using programs like the terminal or command line. With these programs, we can connect to the server and send files, install programs, or give it commands, for example, to start a program, etc. So when we create a website, we are going to create everything that it needs on our computer, and then with the terminal, we are going to move the files to the server, and we are going to start the web programs. In this case, which is a static website, we only have to start the web server. We are not going to see the program working on a screen, but it will be on the server and it will be working correctly. We could have a server at home, but this is not recommended, because they can be quite expensive, and we also need to make sure that there are no power outages, that we don't lose connection to the internet, and most importantly, that we don't have security issues, because our network could be configured wrong, and an attacker, for example, could access other devices at home and steal our files. So servers are not usually in houses, they are usually in companies. If a company works creating websites for others, it will have several of these servers and it will have their clients' websites in them. The programmers who work for this company will create the different websites on their computers and they will put them on the different servers. And when users want to see these websites, the requests will go to the corresponding server. We've seen before that servers usually have this flat shape. This is because they are easier to manage when you have several of these, as you can put one on top of the other in a metallic structure called cabinets or racks. So in companies, we will see that the servers are usually in server racks. In this case, the company that creates the websites needs to make sure that the servers work correctly. These servers, when they are maintained by the company that creates the websites, are called on-premise servers or on-prem. And there are many companies that work this way. If you work as a programmer, it's very possible that your company uses on-prem servers. But there are also other companies that don't want to deal with all the problems of maintaining servers. They just want to work creating websites. So there is a different type of company called hosting companies or cloud services companies, which specialize in having many servers, and they will rent these to other companies or to people who want to use a server for having a website. These type of servers are called cloud servers. And these companies can have hundreds or even thousands of these servers in buildings called data centers. And they will make sure that the servers stay on all day, that they have a good internet connection, and that they work correctly. So if a company that creates websites don't want to have servers in their offices, they can just create the websites and then pay the hosting company to rent some servers and put the websites there. Now, when users go to these websites, the request will go to these servers in the cloud. And we can do the same. We can create a website on our computer, and when it's ready, we rent a server from a hosting company and we place the website there, and now any user can connect and see our website. This is an introduction to servers and how they are used. If you want to learn more about websites, you can see this other video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.